Well, good morning and welcome to Around the World in 274 Days. And today we are off the tip of Greenland. And there's our first iceberg right there. And we're going to go up through the, there's a little passage and sound that we're going to go up through, fjords. And should be a fun day. Prince Christian Sound is a waterway in southern Greenland. It separates the mainland from Christian IV Island and other islands of Cape Farewell Archipelago near the southern tip of Greenland. The sound itself is about 60 miles long, and it is narrow, sometimes only 1,600 feet wide. There's only one settlement along this sound, and I'm not going to try to pronounce it, but it's spelled Ilattoq. So, but we went past it, and I've got some pictures that's going to follow here in just a minute. It's absolutely beautiful, breathtaking. There were numerous glaciers and icebergs. So sit back and enjoy some of the photos that I took. Good morning and welcome to Around the World in 274 Days. Today we're in Qaqortoq, Greenland. You have to say it real fast or I mispronounce it. Probably mispronounce it anyway, but we're in Greenland. Today it's supposed to be sunny. It's supposed to warm up to around 53 degrees. So we're climbing to the top of this hill, and they told us there are a lot of bugs in Greenland. Yesterday, as we were coming up the fjords, we didn't see any bugs. Of course, we were on the ship. There are bugs here, a fair amount, but so far we haven't been bitten by anything. Qaqortoq is a city in southern Greenland with a population of about 3,000. The area around Qaqortoq has been inhabited since 4,300 years ago. The Dorset culture arrived a little later, 2,800 years ago, and there are several rectangular peat dwelling structures in the area outside Qaqortoq. And the Norse arrived in the 10th century, and the Thule people about in the 12th century, and they've been continually occupied around here. The city is not very big, and but it's a cute and quaint little city to walk through, and we did spend a couple hours here, but after that you've seen just about everything we wanted to see, and we had no desire to go out and get up close to a glacier because we've seen so many glaciers already. There's a chair up there. Well, here's the ship. It hasn't sunk. Yep. That's a good sign. Here's Laura hiking up to the top of the hill that overlooks the harbor. She's going to give me a little wave along with waving to some of our friends. And like I said, after a couple hours we got back on the tender and went back out to the ship. But sit back and enjoy some of these photos we took. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Around the World in 274 Days. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching.